Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you the ways on how can you set up Gmail SMT server. To set up Gmail SMTP server, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Open up a browser first thing first, and you want to go ahead and click. After you're taken to this section, you'll be taken to this page. So here you want to come to your profile and click on manage your account. As you tap on manage your account, then you want to go to security. After which, on the search box, you want to type in app password. This is the one. After you're taken to this next field, you want to click on continue and enter in the password first thing first. As for the app, you want to type in SMT. Here you could see the password here. You could then go ahead and simply take a picture or maybe note it down as well and click on the done button. Once done, what next you have to do is you want to go ahead and add a name, all that. So you have to go ahead and create an app specific password type. After you've actually done it, so that you will then taken to the next field where you have to go ahead and make sure to enable some of the permissions. Follow the on-screen prompt, and that is the way you can do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.